Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the mega huge giveaway on my channel. So basically, as you guys may know, I was already giving away glow stick here. Really cute neon dog, and neon dogs are kind of hard to make, so yeah. Well, at least neon pets. I'm not sure about neon dogs. I've actually made a neon dog. They're not as hard as some pets, but you know what? It doesn't really matter right now. But oh yeah, sorry. I'm actually here with Sunset today. Also, by the way, I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I haven't posted in like a month. I'm sorry. I even bought like $20 worth of Robux for like the monkey update video, which I'm probably gonna be posting like super late. I don't know. But so basically, I'm going to be switching up how I'm going to be doing the giveaway. So it's gonna be a mega giveaway. I'm giving away this Aussie egg. Bought it like around like 20 minutes ago, or like 10 or something. It's Christmas monkey. That's under an hour. And then this neon dog. Okay, I'm gonna show you all you guys that like what I'm doing. So basically, what you guys have to do to enter the giveaway is to enter the giveaway to get all this stuff is what you have to do. Oh my god, I can't think. So what you have to do to get all that stuff is you have to like, subscribe. If you want to, you can hit the post notifications. I mean, then it will tell you when I post, which hopefully will be more often now. And so basically, then after that, all you have to do is comment done once you're finished. And by the way, guys, I know how many subscribers I have right now, so you can't just go done, because I'll see how many comments there are, and I'll see how many more subscribers. And then, so basically, you have to comment done, your Roblox username, and then, what's it called? I can't think. Then, if you want to, you don't have to put this. I would like if you put this, then I'll have a better reason to have you to win. And so yeah. Also, I'm going in about 2-3 days, 1-2-3 days, I'm going to be posting the video of like the winner. It'll take me a few days because I only have like 13 subscribers. Since I was like 40, also go subscribe to her channel. And so yeah, I'm gonna have either my mom, my dad, Sunset, just like someone or like myself, just close my eyes or randomly pick if it's gonna be me or Sunset, or like my parents just randomly pick from the comments. What? Oh, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Yes, you are. So, Sunset, teleport to me. We have to do the outro.